It's chassis time for the Pro Built Chassis Raffle. What up, everybody? Hope everybody's good. Got a lot to talk about today, and one huge announcement. For the first time in 13 years, we're going to SEMA. That's right, we're going to SEMA. Pretty stoked about it. I haven't been there in a long time. What we're going to do is we're actually going to debut this chassis at SEMA, and we're going to get with all of the magazines out there in Japan and France and England and of course US, and have them all there for the unveil. Should be pretty cool. So obviously that means we need to get it done before then, and so that's our goal. Try and get it done and debut it there. So for anybody that's going there, we hope to see you there. Make sure you get in touch with us so that you know what booth number we are. You can subscribe to our newsletter that's down here, and that'll keep you up to date on what booth number the SEMA booth we have. We did get a 20 by 20. That'll be pretty nice size. We'll be displaying all our Pro Built gear as well. Also, if you didn't notice already, we got some new swag available on Amazon only. Can't walk into our shop and get that purchased. It's only available on Amazon. They make these really nice soft sweaters, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, men's, women's, kids, various colors. Also, a link is down there at the bottom here in the comment section. So pretty cool little logo. Yeah, check it out. That being said, let's get into it. Let's show you the progress on the Pro Built Chassis Raffle. So we started with these little braces underneath, and we put the little divots in the brace. Start seeing the theme here. We got some inch shorter axles in stock today. So we're going to do the trailing arms and making them narrower on the back so we can get a little bit deeper diff wheels. We got these in. I would like to thank all our sponsors, including Wolfsburg West and Ride Tech. Please check out their website links in the description. Let them know that the pros at Airkewld recommended you. Also, make sure you are subscribed to our newsletter for all the details on the SEMA show. Link is also in the description. We appreciate the support, guys, and good luck to y'all. Take care. Talk to you soon.